Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some pumpkin French toast. Let's begin. To ensure we're getting the most pumpkin in this recipe, I'm using the pumpkin brioche bread that I made for the last recipe, so don't forget to check that out if you're interested. Feel free to use normal brioche bread if that's what you can get your hands on. I cut mine into about 1 inch thickness, which is perfect for this recipe as you want it to be quite thick, and because it's very fresh, it won't absorb as much. So if you want to leave it to stale for a day, that's fine. Once your bread is cut, set aside. Then into a large mixing bowl, add in your milk, followed by your eggs, your vanilla extract, and then your light brown sugar, pumpkin puree, and the spices. And don't forget to add in the salt. I'm using sea salt, but feel free to use table salt if that's what you've got. Then whisk everything together until it's fully combined. You're looking for it to be kind of like a creme anglaise or a loose custard. That's what you're looking for. Once you've got that, you can set it aside. Into a pan, place a knob of butter and then place this on the hob and allow this to melt while you coat your French toast. So while the butter is melting in the pan, take your pieces of bread and dip them into the eggy mixture and just coat both sides and ensure that you allow it to soak for a little bit, and this will help absorb all of those flavours. Once your butter has melted and is sizzling, you can go ahead and place in your first piece of French toast. Use a bigger pan if you'd like to, so you can get 2 pieces done at a time, but I only wanted to do 1. Fry for around 2 to 3 minutes on each side on a low heat. I find this works best. Then flip and do the same thing. You want it to be perfectly golden brown like what I've got here. As you can tell up close, look at that just looks so good. So then you can just flip it once more to ensure that both sides are cooked evenly, as that's what you're looking for, a bit of consistency here. Then take your plate and place your French toast onto it. 1 piece would be more than enough, but 2 would be the perfect breakfast to set you up for the day, and you can't get any more pumpkin if you tried. Then you can pour over your maple syrup or whatever you want to use. I didn't want to have any berries with this, I just really wanted to enjoy the French toast on its own because it's really flavourful, and believe me, I had some berries but I had something a little bit tart. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.